Welcome back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here. So today what we're about to get ready to talk about is doing like when you make your rugs, getting pictures and great quality pictures and maybe like free props, So what I'm about to get ready to do, I got my Christmas rugs that I need to advertise on my social media. But guess what? I don't have my Christmas tree up yet because it's not even Thanksgiving yet. So I'm about to get ready to go to the store and use their Christmas trees because the Christmas tree's already up, man. So I'm about to use their props, about to take the kids there. We're about to get a little photo shoot, man. Hey, let's get to the store. Let's go. All right, people. So we're in the store right now, and I got my little models with me so we can get these photo shoot going. And what I did too, because it does be people in here, so as I'm taking pictures, people might ask. So maybe you bring your cards in. So I got my tags and things like that you bring in. So yeah, just in case you would get some customers. So we're in the Christmas section right now. So we are in like a hardware store, almost like a Home Depot. This one right here is a little bit different, and they got all the Christmas trees and stuff over here. So we're about to get ready to get this little photo shoot going. I need to find me some fake gifts because I want to really get this thing going.
I see the Grinch.
Yeah. So we can really get a photo shoot going, man. Free props and everything right here. You don't have to buy nothing because it's already in here. So I'm gonna have them do some right here in the aisle right here because it's a nice, pretty aisle. So we get some nice pictures going, man. Let's get this thing going. You ready for this photo shoot? You ready for this photo shoot? I wish I could find some fake gifts or something like that. That'd be pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so what we did, we went to go and grab some toys and put around a tree for props and things like that. So now we're about to get ready to take some pictures. You're so crazy. All right, let me get this going. All right, so we're just getting different poses. We got customers walking around, so we got to figure out which tree we want to do. How you having fun?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. All right, let's switch up. I'm gonna come over here, Van. I'm gonna get some with you right there. So we just take a turn to put some stuff on there, have them sitting on the rug. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and get you some free props and get you some pictures and start posting on your social media and try to get these sales. All right, so we're done with our little photo shoot, man. So I did pass out a couple cards. I see some people with some kids, nothing low. Go check out my social media and things like that. So it's free advertisement, just coming in the store and wherever you go, man, you can go maybe outside, like if you're doing like some shoes, you got a shoe rug, maybe go to the mall, whatever, take some pictures about some shoes, and then yeah, talk to people, pass out some cards and things like that. So that's it, man. So that's what you can do. Like I said, it depends on whatever your rugs is pertaining of. You can go. So like basically, if you're doing some anime stuff or some type of characters, maybe go to your local Walmart and grab some toys and take some pictures around it. Take some pictures with the toys around the rug so people can get the idea. But yeah, man, we're about to get ready to get to the house, man. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, man. I just want to go ahead and show y'all that, tell y'all that, take you with me on my little photo shoot. But hey, I'm gonna show you these pictures at the end, man. So hey, see you on the next rug. Peace.